Hey guys, it's Vithya. Welcome to our Glow Up Masterclass. Today is going to be about skincare, hair care, makeup, hairstyles. It's going to be a fun wellness day. Today I have Sana here, who's a friend and we work together a lot as well. So she's going to be covering all the skincare and the hair care.
I'll be covering skin health, we'll work through pigmentation, wrinkles, I'll touch on acne.
We've got Pravina over there, who's our model for today.
Hey everyone, my name's Pravina. I'm here for Vithya and Sana's Glow Up Masterclass and I'm actually modelling today. I'm really excited to be on this journey with everyone today and make sure to keep watching because you'll see the after.
My name is Jay. I'm a sound engineer for live events. So today I'm providing the sound for Vidya and Sana.
Hi, it's Darshan from Hyper Events. So today we're here for Vidya and Sana's Glow Up Masterclass, and the whole theme of today is just a healthy food.
Hey everyone, I'm Marvini from Events by Marvini. This is my 5th masterclass that I'm organising for Vithya and my first time with Sana.
It was amazing. I learned so much as well. Vidya's done my makeup before, but my skin then was very different to what my skin is now. So I'm learning how to work with how my skin changes throughout the year.
An eye-opening event for me.
I learn when I see things, so Vidya's been amazing.
They were both really amazing. Honestly, I really enjoyed it.
I think the combination was really good. It was one of my bucket lists, to be very honest, and I'm really happy that I ticked it off today.